Hello YouTube, my name is Corlan and welcome to another video of Lifestyle and Sneakers. Today we're going to do an on-foot review of the Nike Martine Rose Air Monarch IV, so stick around. Before we continue, may I just remind you that we have a brand new giveaway. We're giving away a sneaker of your choice in your size. The main thing you need to do is watch, like, and comment on all our videos this month of October from the 1st to the 31st. Please check all the other mechanics in the description box down below. If you've seen my past videos, I've unboxed two Martine Rose Nike Air Monarch IV. And today on this video, we're going to do an on-foot review, and we'll also see what bottoms we can pair up with them. When I ordered these two sneakers, I ordered them together, and the black pair I went true to size, and for the white pair I went half a size up, since I don't know what to expect in terms of sizing. I know that they're constructed like the foam posets, so for the foam posets it's very stiff and you need to like size up for those, so I size up for the other one. So anyway, when I wore them, the black pair fits perfectly, so it's my true to size, and the white pair, since I half size up, it's very loose and it looks very big on my feet, and with the bulges and everything, the shoe like looks a lot bigger. Anyway, so they actually fit true to size. And the first impression, so when you first put them on, the upper is very well padded, but the upper is very stiff. So the padding made up for the stiffness in terms of comfort. So if that padding is not there, there's gonna be hot spot everywhere. So they put a thick padding on the upper, so you won't feel the stiffness that much. Anyway, there's no vent holes, so over time it's gonna heat up inside the shoe. So just be ready for that one. Now the comfort of the midsole is actually very good. It has full length air, and yeah, it fits true to size. There's no hot spot, very well padded, so it's very comfortable. The only thing is so what do you wear with them? Let's start with the black one. For me, the black one will look best if you pair it up with a black jeans, either a slim fit cut or a baggy cut. So it will look well with just a black bottom overall. And if you're planning to wear it with shorts, I suggest that you wear black socks as well. And just I think any colored shorts will work as long as you wear it with black socks. Now for the white pair, I think it's more versatile. You can wear it with maroon or burgundy joggers, olive joggers, khaki, camo. You can also wear it with light wash jeans, and when you wear it with shorts, you can use white socks, some other colored socks. It's just more versatile than the black one. That's it for the on-foot review of the Martine Rose Nike Air Monarch 4. And if you like this video, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button. Also, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok. Again, my name is Froilan. Until next time.